Alright, little man's climbing the stairs. Big day of fun. You going? Now Papa's gonna get you. Hi, monkey. You going? I'm gonna get you. He's getting faster. Yeah. Ranger, honey, go ahead. Go ahead. Ranger, you can go. Come on. You can go, just be careful. There you go. Good girl. Honey, you coming? No? You'll wait for the baby? Okay, there you go. Be careful. Good girl, honey. Give him some space. No, good puppy legs. Way to go, big boy. You did it. Yay. Yay. All right. Can you say bye-bye? Nope. Say bye-bye. And you're off.